Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to take long screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy A25. Our first step to take long screenshot is you must remember that long screenshot you can make only in the application which have more information than one size of screen where you can scroll something. And when we are on it, we press volume down and power key together at the same time as to make normal screenshot. And after that we press on this icon and it is scrolling again, and it is scrolling more and again, and we have our long screenshot which is saved in our gallery right now. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.